Hello everyone, welcome to this little video. My name is Jose Ticas, and today I would like to talk to you about the relationship between the language and thought. We will discuss some things and we will see how both aspects work and how they are applied in our reality. Are you ready? Let's start. First, I would like to clarify that thought and language have a somewhat complicated relationship to define. They are related, but it is not an absolute relationship. We could apply it with the following example. Thought, the brain of people, to be able to understand language is governed by patterns. For example, in this case, English and Spanish, that have been studied over time. But those patterns don't have an absolute definition. Depending on the people and the environment in which they have been developed, will have different names in quotes, for a word, and the way of seeing reality. The simple example that I can give you in this case is how the masculine or male, and female genders are applied in Spanish and German language, respectively. While for us in Spanish, we assign the sun the male gender and the moon the female gender. In the German language is what opposite. The sun is female and the moon is male. Only this small difference already produces a big change in the psyche of the people. We can say that the language can be a tool of thought with which we can transmit all knowledge, ideas, opinions, etc. But the language can shape our way of thinking. A video that caught my attention, which if you want to go deeper, more information about the topic, I can leave them in the description of this video. But in the videos commented on how language can have a profound effect on reality. In this case of numbers, we use words to number the quantity. We use words to define the numbers, which give us access to an intensive mathematical world, in which only by imposing a name, a definition to number something, we are able to build buildings, calculate the position of place, calculate an immense amount of things in the world, and this only using a language to transmit patterns that other people can hear, and with his brain, with his mind, they can decipher the vibrations that we make, because that is what a language is. When we want to transmit something to other people using language, what we are doing is just a sound, vibrations that we can emit, and the mind is in charge of analyzing and understand what it hears. But to give it a definition, it is already necessary to use the context and our environment to be able to understand it. Because, as the lady said in the video, each person has a different way of seeing the world, depending on how it has developed in their environment. So, in conclusion, the thought and language have a very deep relationship, and although it seems somewhat exaggerated to say it, but it is something that can even change our reality. And we are left with this phrase to reflect. The thought creates and determines language. In turn, language enriches and revolutionizes thought. In this way, both maintain a mutual, interdependent, and dynamic relationship. Thank you for watching this video, and see you later. Bye bye.